Are you interested in getting paid fast, some extra money into your PayPal account for 100% free? Well, if you are, stick around because I'm going to show you 4 websites today that you can do just that and get paid fast to your PayPal account with some extra spending money to help between your paychecks or for whatever you need to use it for. Alrighty, well guys, let's go ahead and get jump started right in on this. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here rather, and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, well, I don't know what's keeping you from it. If you look down through here, I've got over 300 videos on this channel showing you how to make money online, because I always want to bring more time and financial freedom into your life with each and every video that I upload. And this one is just as well as good as the rest of them today. Alrighty, so reach down there now while we're talking about it and you're thinking about it. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on the channel. Okay? Alright, well, let's go ahead and get jump started right in on this video here. What you want to do, the first site that I'm going to show you here today is come right over here to this site right here. It's called RewardingWays.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, RewardingWays.com. You see here on this site, it's 100% free to join right here, and you can get paid fast to PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango card, or even in cryptocurrency if you want. And if you look right here, payments within 24 hours. And it says you can get what you can get from the best paid survey site, access online paid surveys, make money online, get paid today, work from home, and you even get a free join bonus as well. And you can join right here as well. Recommended by members. Now you see over here it's got several reviews. I did a little research and I looked it up on Trustpilot right here. If we come over here to Trustpilot, Trustpilot is probably the most trusted site in the world if you want to find out if a website is legitimate or not. And you see here that I've brought up RewardingWays.com. They have a 4.7 star rating. And if you look right here, out of 574 reviews, they've got 83% people rate it excellent. And you see down through here a couple of the reviews. While it's amazing, this website is truly not a scam. I have won 23 cents so far and only been doing it for about a day, he says. And then there's plenty of other reviews here to show you about this site. So we know that this site is not a scam. People are getting paid on Rewarding Ways. And if you look down here, you can complete online surveys, earn cash and gift cards. You can earn cash here, it says. We'll reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers. Redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill and get paid the very same day. Okay, and you earn points by watching videos, take part in paid trials and surveys and offers to earn points. And then you can also get Amazon and gift cards and things like that, Tango gift cards, Starbucks, Nike, and many more. A little video here. It says, what can the best paid survey site offer you? Access to hundreds of paid surveys daily. Make money online and get paid the same day, usually in just a few hours, it says. It says it's free to join, there's a free join bonus, yeah, like I told you earlier. And you can work from home, take part in even, they've got cash contests that you can even take a part in as well. And it says make money online, completing surveys, trials, and other tasks. Get paid the same day via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. Some of the reviews and stuff down here. And they do have some payment proof here where we click on that and give it a moment to load here. And you can see right here that this site, as you can see, they've already paid out over $1 million to people here. And also you can see right here proof of where people are getting paid into their PayPal and Skrill and so on and so forth. Here's a PayPal instant payments they're paying. And you can see that people are making money quickly from this site. And right here, we're on today's date, October the 16th, all down through here. I'm not going to go through any more pages. There's over 15,000 pages here, payment proof, where people are getting paid through this site. As you can see, some people at $21 here, $18 here. Here's almost $40 there. So people are making money with this particular site. So all you need to do is click here to join, and it's free. You want to fill out their form here that they have here. And the most probably important part about this, well, let me tell you here. It looks like here, guys, that it can be done from anywhere in the world on this particular site as well. You see all these different countries here. But the most important thing about this here is if you're going to use PayPal, you want to make sure that you put your correct PayPal email address in here. If you've don't have a PayPal account, just go to, it's easy enough, just go to paypal.com, create a free personal account. You don't need a business account or anything like that, and make sure that the email address you use to create your PayPal account is the same email that you put right in here when you sign up on RewardingWays.com and get started making money with this particular site right here. That's that's one good site right there to make fast money to your PayPal account. Now, site number 2, and that site number 2 is OfferNation. OfferNation, you see it up here in the address bar. It's OfferNation.com. And you come over here, it's paid surveys for money, work from home, and make some extra money for the things you need in life. Start earning today. Quick and easy to register. Take paid surveys to make money. Generous referral program. And fast payments and get paid today, it says. All right, and also it's free to join. You get a free join bonus as well. And they've got an excellent rating here. And I did do a look over on Trustpilot for this particular site as well. So if I come over here to OfferNation, you see it's OfferNation.com on Trustpilot. They have a 4.5 star rating out of 504 reviews. And you see that it's 76% of people rate this site as excellent as well. And you can see there's a lot of people down through here talk about how much that they've earned with it and so on and so forth, and how cool it is, such a cool surveys, easy to use, and so on and so forth. So OfferNation, guys, you want to come over here, and they will also, you can make money online with survey sites. You can, who pays to complete, that's the companies or the brands that are offering the surveys, and it makes it easy to make money online. And a little bit about it, this site is similar to the RewardingWays site in some respects, and you can certainly join for free here just by clicking on the button. And you can see here, fill out the same thing. Again, right here, the most important part, well, let's check, is it available worldwide? Yes, it is. Guys, you can do this worldwide on this site. Look at all these countries. Every country in the world is right here on this site. Make sure, again, you fill out the correct PayPal email address that you put in here. Or you can use Skrill, or you can use cryptocurrency if you have a Bitcoin account somewhere. Just make sure that you check these other boxes and stuff down here about the privacy policy and their terms. And the same thing over here on RewardingWays, you want to do that same thing there too. You want to make sure that you check the terms and the policy here, privacy policy, and then check the little gadget box here and register. And the same way over here at OfferNation, you want to do the same thing. Check the little gadget box too, along with these two boxes, and sign up and get started making money on OfferNation and get paid fast to your PayPal account. All right, that's site number 2, guys. Site number 3 coming up here. This site here is called QMe. Come over here, you see it's QMe.com right here in the address bar. The letter Q and MEE.com. You can share your opinion, shop and search, and earn real cash rewards. Earn cash, not swag or points. And you can see that this has been featured on some of these pretty popular sites right here: HuffPost, MSN, CNN Money, and even Forbes magazine. It says you can earn when you share your opinions. Take QME paid surveys on your laptop or mobile. Yep, by the way, this does have can be done on your cell phone on this particular site. You see they've got it for the iPhone and the Google Android phones right here. You can earn by shopping, and there's no minimum cash out. It says right here with QMe, there's no minimum cash out that you need to get for your earnings at any time. And you can earn cash with our specially chosen offers and earn cash even when you search. It says earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with the free QMe app or browser app that you can get as well, and so on and so forth. I did a little research also on QMe, some of the reviews on them, and here we are on Trustpilot again. They do have a 4.5-star rating out of almost 1,000 reviews. They've got an excellent rating of 77%, and you see here that people are liking this particular site as well. Lots of good reviews. People are making money with QMe. Guys, there's no reason why you can't come over here to QMe. Click on sign up right here, and it'll bring you over here, and you sign up with and create a local account here, and then just click on sign up, and you can start making money. My guess is they'll probably pay by PayPal. I'm not sure. Let's have a look and see. Okay, right here, yeah, it says, what if I don't have a PayPal account? So, yep, you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. You can either sign up for one, it's free and doesn't take long, or you can choose to donate your piggy bank contents to charity here. So, yep, you'll need a PayPal account to get your cash on QMe. Alrighty, guys, and it's just that site's a simple thing. Just sign up right here and get joined and start working with QMe and making some fast money to your PayPal account as well. All right, that's 3. How about site number 4 here? If we come over here, this site is, let's see here, Get Paid To. You see it right here in the address bar. It's up here, getpaid2.com. Now, don't get this site confused. I've seen some reviews on Trustpilot over here. Let's see here, right here. Trustpilot right here, where some people were getting confused between the getpaid2.com and the getpaid2.app. The .app site is a scam, as you'll see down through here. Some people were getting caught up in the getpaid2.app site. As you can see right here, it says we are .com. They are the .app. Make sure you don't go to getpaid2.app. That's the scam site. This site, getpaid2.com, is the legitimate site. And you see they've got a 75% rating. They do have a 3.6-star total, but 75% excellent rating out of 713 reviews here on this Trustpilot website right here. So, easy enough. You want to come over here to paid2.com. And you can earn points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. And you can see here, surveys, games, quick points, offer walls. And how does it work? Just do the task, fill in surveys, watch video, play games, earn points. 5,000 points will get you $1. And then you can get paid. Redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrencies, and gift cards. And you can play some fun online games that they've got here, and high-paying surveys, offer walls, and quick points, different things that you can do here. And you can, as you can see here, you can even get, look, even a bank transfer on this site, guys. And Skrill, cryptocurrencies, Amazon, PayPal, of course, and Vodafone Cash here. So all you do is just click on Join for free. And it should bring us over here, and you want to fill out their form right here that you see. And also, I'm looking for it here about PayPal. I'm not sure, but my guess is you're going to need to make sure that you have your PayPal email address on here as well. Don't forget to check the I agree to the terms, and check the gadget box here and click complete the registration and get signed up here at Get Paid To. And you can start earning some fast. Just come over and join these 4 sites today, and you guys can start making some pretty good extra money to fill in some spare time from anywhere in the world, on a laptop sitting on the beach if you want to even, and do this as well, as long as you got an internet connection, right? Alrighty, guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this video and see the value in it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll get back to you on that. And if you want to see my #1 way to make money online that I do, well, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check that out and see what I've got available for you to get an affiliate marketing business up online, and with all the education and tools to help you make money online today. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you guys go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.